Hello kids, how are you all? So in the last video we have revised your lesson number 9. Then we have revised what are the shortcut keys can come in your exam. Then I think fully we have revised your lesson number 9. Now today we are going to revise your sample paper. Means what are the different questions are there in your sample paper and what are the diagrams are going to come in your exam, that I will tell you today itself. Okay, so let's start revising. Okay, so the first question in your sample paper is fill in the blanks. First one. Now, the dash tool is used to select any square or rectangular part of a picture. Now, which tool is used to select square or rectangular part of a picture? Your select tool is used to select any square or rectangular part of a picture. And please learn the spelling also, because you won't get any hint box in your exam. Second one is in Scratch, dash is a collection of stepwise instructions given to a sprite. Script is a collection of stepwise instructions given to a sprite. Third one is dash refers to the overall size, generally height of the letters. Now which refers to the overall size of the letters? Your font size refers to the overall size of the letters. Fourth one is Word 2010 opens a blank document with a temporary name dash. Means आपका जो Word 2010 है वो blank document के साथ में open होता है, but उसका temporary name क्या है? That is document 1. A dash is a sequence of instructions that is repeated until a certain condition is satisfied. Loop is a sequence of instructions. Loop क्या होता है? It is a sequence of instructions that is repeated until a certain condition is satisfied. जब तक आपकी जो conditions है वो satisfied नहीं हो जाती है, तब तक आपका जो loop है वो क्या करता है? Sequence instructions को, जो आपकी instructions की जो sequence है उसको repeat करता रहता है. Okay. Now let's move on to your true and false. First one is we should not press the enter key at the end of each line. Yes, all of us know that the Microsoft Word has a word wrapping text. Means वो क्या करता है, आप उसके साथ में कंटिन्यू लिखते जाते हो एंड वो क्या करता है, सपोज यहाँ पर आपका टेक्स्ट एंड हो गया, ही विल ऑटोमेटिकली सेंड योर टेक्स्ट टू द नेक्स्ट लाइन. वो अपने आप ही आपके टेक्स्ट को नेक्स्ट लाइन में सेंड कर देता है. क्लियर. बट वेन यू हैव टू स्टार्ट अ न्यू लाइन, जब आपको न्यू लाइन स्टार्ट करनी है, एट दैट टाइम ओनली यू विल प्रेस द एंटर की. Otherwise, no need of pressing the enter key. So this statement is right or wrong? This statement is right. So here you will write true. Second one is you can remove the selection box by clicking on the drawing. आप selection box को कैसे remove कर सकते हो? Drawing के ऊपर click करके. Yes. So for removing the selection box, we need to click on the drawing. So this statement is also true. Third is Scratch is one of the easiest computer languages. Yes, this statement is also right. So here also you will write true. Fourth is justify alignment means that the text is aligned with the left margin. Means आपका जो text है वो left margin में होगा. No, justify alignment means the text is aligned either on the left margin or on the right margin. या तो आपका जो text है वो right में होगा या फिर left में होगा. Means वो justify करता है. Okay. इट सीज द लेंथ ऑफ योर टेक्स्ट. आपके टेक्स्ट के लेंथ के अकॉर्डिंगली जस्टिफाई अलाइनमेंट आपको सेटअप करके देता है दैट योर टेक्स्ट विल मूव टू विच साइड. सो दिस स्टेटमेंट इज फॉल्स. और लेफ्ट साइड में कौन मूव करता है मार्जिन को? टेक्स्ट को कौन मूव करता है लेफ्ट मार्जिन में? लेफ्ट अलाइनमेंट. ओके, सो दिस स्टेटमेंट इज फॉल्स. फिफ्थ वन इज इन स्क्रैच अ न्यू प्रोजेक्ट ओपन्स अप विथ अ डिफॉल्ट कैट स्प्राइट ऑन द स्टेज. येस, स्क्रैच में आप जब भी उसको ओपन करते हो, अ न्यू प्रोजेक्ट ओपन, आपका हमेशा एक न्यू प्रोजेक्ट ओपन होता है एंड बाय डिफॉल्ट वहाँ पे स्टेज पे कौन सा स्प्राइट होता है? दैट इज़ योर कैट स्प्राइट. सो दिस स्टेटमेंट विल बी ट्रू. नेक्स्ट इज मैच द फॉलोइंग. नाउ व्हाट इज अ प्रोग्रामिंग लैंग्वेज? प्रोग्रामिंग लैंग्वेज इज योर स्क्रैच. देन सेंडिंग लेटर्स थ्रू द इंटरनेट, आप इंटरनेट के हेल्प से लेटर्स थ्रू करते हो, लेटर्स सेंड करते हो. व्हाट इज़ द नेम ऑफ दैट थिंग? उसको हम क्या बोलते हैं? वी कॉल इट एज ईमेल. देन ग्राफिक कैरेक्टर्स इन स्क्रैच. स्क्रैच में जो आपकी ग्राफिक कैरेक्टर्स होता है, व्हाट डू वी कॉल देम? वी कॉल इट एज स्प्राइट. इंटरनेट सर्च इंजन, विच वन इज अ इंटरनेट सर्च इंजन? गूगल. गूगल इज एन इंटरनेट सर्च इंजन. देन वन ऑफ द कॉल आउट शेप्स, क्लाउड. क्लाउड, रेक्टेंगल, ओवल. सो दीज आर योर कॉल आउट शेप्स. Tool to copy color. Which tool is used to copy the color? Color picker tool. Okay, so now clear? So we have revised your match the following also. Now let's move on to the tick the right answer. choose the right answer. First question is which among the following tool is used to increase or decrease the view size of the objects. Means ये 3 options है आपके पास, and which among these following tools will help you to increase and decrease the view size. कौन help करता है आपको view size को increase और decrease करने में object की? Rotate? No, rotate तो rotate कर देगा आपको, जो भी image है उसको rotate करेगा. Select? No, it will help you to select. Zoom option will help you, zoom tool will help you to increase or decrease the view size of the object. Second is dash is a small graphic character that perform actions in a scratch project. Now कौन है जो अब small graphic character जो आपको help करता है action perform करने में आपके scratch project में? Script? No. Stage? No. Sprite is a small graphic character that perform actions in a scratch project. Third is to move a block anywhere in the script area, click on the dash block of the script. अगर आपको block को move करना है script area में, so which block you will click? You will click on the top block. Dash button is used to stop the scratch project during execution. Which button is used to stop the scratch project during execution? Stop button. अगर आपको stop करना है scratch project को, so you have to click on the stop button. Fifth one is how many scroll bars are there in Word 2010? There are only 2 scroll bars. One is your horizontal and the second one is your vertical scroll bar. Okay. Now let's move on to the next thing, that is your answer in one word. First question says which block has all the instructions related to the sprites movement. कौन सा block है जिसमें instructions होते हैं आपकी sprite की movement से related? That one is your motion block. Clear? See आपको देखो यहाँ से ही पता चल जाता है motion means movement. So motion block is used to give instructions about the sprite movement. Second one is which tool is used to select the area which has been not selected in the picture. Means कौन सा tool आपको help करता है to select the area जो आपके picture में selected नहीं है, वो वाला area select करने में. So that one is your invert selection. Third one is which extension is given to the drawing saved in Scratch. आप जब Scratch में drawing save करते हो तो आपको उसमें Scratch कौन सा extension देता है? That is your .sb2. Please don't leave in gap in between. आपको इसके बीच में gap नहीं देना है. And you have to remember this full stop also. आपको ये dot भी लगाना है, full stop भी लगाना है. Otherwise your half marks will be cut. Now the fourth one is name the block that control the looks of the sprite. Means अभी आपने यहाँ पे देखा था कि name the block which gives sprite movement related instructions. जो movement से related instruction देता है वो आपका motion block है, and जो looks control करने में instructions देता है that is your looks block. Okay, so today we have revised your sample paper. Answer the following, you will do it on your own. Now let me show you what are the diagrams can come in your exam. See, first one is this figure 9.1 means they will ask you draw the different shapes. Okay, so you have to draw any 5 shapes. आपको कोई भी 5 shapes draw करने होंगे. Then the second diagram is different types of call out shapes. कौन कौन से type के call out shapes होते हैं? You have to draw them. Let's move on to the third diagram. Okay, third diagram is this one. This your web browsers. Now it can come in your exams that they will give you the name. आपको यहाँ पर Mozilla Firefox, Internet Explorer इनका नाम दे देंगे and they will tell you that please draw these diagrams. आपको ये diagrams draw करने होंगे. So please prepare all the web browsers then your call out shapes properly. So today we have revised your sample paper and the diagrams. So this much for today. Tomorrow we will revise your lesson number 8. So thank you and please start learning it.